Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your front door lock and handle. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a tape measure, and possibly a drill. Ensure your new lock set matches your door's back set, typically 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches, and the bore hole diameter, usually 1.5 inches or 2 1/8 inches. Always wear eye protection for safety. To begin, open your door and locate the screws on the interior side of your existing handle and lock. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Once the interior trim plates are off, gently pull apart the exterior and interior handle components. Next, remove the 2 screws holding the latch mechanism on the door's edge, then slide it out. Finally, unscrew and remove the deadbolt cylinder and its associated hardware. Now, let's install your new hardware. First, insert the new latch mechanism into the door's edge, ensuring the angled side of the bolt faces the door frame. Secure it with the 2 provided screws. Next, install the new deadbolt cylinder, making sure its tailpiece aligns with the crossbore. Then, slide the exterior handle into place, followed by the interior handle, aligning the spindle. Secure everything with the through bolts and tighten all screws firmly. With your new lock and handle installed, it's crucial to test its functionality. First, with the door open, operate both the handle and the deadbolt several times to ensure smooth movement. Then, close the door and test them again, verifying that the latch bolt fully extends into the strike plate and the deadbolt engages securely. If needed, make minor adjustments to the strike plate on the door frame for optimal alignment and security. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your lock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.